English-Bulgarian, make equals.
Правя.
Past, made, forms made easy. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey, do legend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab extras at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master make, do equals.
Правя.
And past winners. You made, equals.
Ти направи.
It made, equals.
То направи.
You, plural, made, equals.
Направихте.
And, they made, equals.
Те направиха.
Strap in, we'll cook up laughs, a quick dialogue, and a rhythm drill so your brain says, yep, I made that. Your goal today. You'll speak these forms clearly, confidently, and with a smile. Goal 1. Say, I make, do, equals.
Правя.
In your daily life. Goal 2. Nail the past. You made, equals.
Ти направи.
It made, equals.
То направи.
Goal 3. Talk to a group. You, plural, made, equals.
Направихте.
Goal 4. Give credit. They made, equals.
Те направиха.
Mini dialogue. The cake caper. Listen in and repeat the punchlines, yes, do, out loud. You, did I hear cake? Friend, yes, you did.
Ти направи.
The sweetest one yesterday. You, honestly, it was the pinch of salt.
То направи.
The difference. Neighbor, team.
Направихте.
The table so sturdy, my tea won't wobble anymore. Narrator, and the kids next door?
Те направиха.
A kite that outran the wind. Beat drill. Clap, speak, smile. Clap once, then repeat after me, short, snappy, and sticky. I make coffee equals.
Правя кафе.
I do my homework equals.
Правя домашното.
You made it, equals.
Ти го направи.
It made the room brighter equals.
То направи стаята посветла.
You, plural, made dinner equals.
Направихте вечеря.
They made a plan equals.
Те направиха план.
Bonus mantra. Make, do equals.
Правя.
Culture tip. Baba Marta magic. Tiny tradition, huge smiles, add it to your memory palace. On March 1st in Bulgaria, people make red and white bracelets called
Мартеници.
Families and friends often say, we make them together, yes, that's
Правя.
in action. Try a line. They made many bracelets today, equals.
Те направиха много мартеници днес.
Quick quiz. Answer fast, do speed, do power. Q1. Which Bulgarian word means make, do? A.
Правя.
Q2. Fill the blank. Yesterday, you made a cake.
Ти направи. Торта.
Q3. Choose the group past form for, you, plural, made.
Направихте.
Q4. Translate. They made a plan.
Те направиха план.
Lightning. It made a difference.
То направи разлика.
10-second challenge. Ready? Build 3 mini sentences, 1 breath each. 1. Say something you do daily. I make breakfast.
Правя закуска.
2. Praise a friend in the past. You made it.
Ти го направи.
3. Cheer a team. You, plural, made great progress.
Направихте голям напредък.
Bonus. They made dinner. It made the house cozy.
Те направиха вечеря. То направи дома уютен.
Wrap up and high five. You crushed it, do energy, do results. Today you owned make, do equals.
Правя.
Plus past champs.
Ти направи. То направи. Направихте. Те направиха.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share your wins, and grab more lessons, drills, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.